Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a verified Google account, working billing details, and a live site with original content. Next, enable Google Ad Manager in your Google account and link your site domain. This proves ownership. Once done, add site tags and deploy header code across key pages so inventory is trackable. You should also configure basic ad units and label them logically. This immediate sequence establishes identity, technical access, and traceable inventory, so review each step before moving to approval steps. You now focus on detailed configuration. Create ad units with precise sizes and responsive behavior because supply clarity improves match rates. Then set placements and targeting key values for content level control. This helps buyers find inventory. Once configured, establish pricing rules or floors wisely. Too high reduces fill, too low lowers yield. Make sure tags are validated in a staging environment and test AMP or HTTPS pages. When tests pass, publish changes, and monitor. You finish by submitting your account and site details for Google Ad Manager approval. Include representative pages and explain ad locations. After submission, actively monitor diagnostics, bid responses, and revenue reports to catch problems fast. If approval is delayed or ads don't serve, first recheck tag deployment and domain verification, then review policy compliance for content or ad placements. Finally, use publisher support or community forums if needed, but document changes and tests so you can show reviewers exactly what was fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.